Hello, and welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast Learning. Today, we're going to learn how to trade using blue boxes. Before we begin, let's learn what blue boxes are. Blue boxes are our proprietary high-frequency and high-probability inflection area markings, which are based on a relationship of sequences, cycles, and calculated using Fibonacci extensions. At blue boxes, both buyers and sellers agree in the direction of the next move for 3 swings at least, and hence why they offer very low-risk opportunities to enter the market in the direction of the trend. This allows the traders to eliminate risk on their trades once a reaction is seen from our blue boxes. Blue box areas are marked based on 100% to 161.8% Fibonacci extension in 3, 7, or 11 swing corrective sequence, as shown here. There are 4 different stamps we use to present our findings on the chart so traders can follow them easily. Right side is higher. Right side is lower. Turning higher but no clear right side. And turning lower but no clear right side. Now, let's look at them in action. Here's the right side higher tag indicating that the right side is bullish. This indicates any pullbacks are a buying opportunity in 3, 7, or 11 swings until the target area is not reached to complete the sequence. Here's a right side lower tag indicating that the right side is bearish. This indicates any bounces are a selling opportunity in 3, 7, or 11 swings until the target area is not reached to complete the sequence. Here's a turning up tag which indicates a down cycle has ended and the market has turned higher in a correction or in the process of starting a new cycle. This indicates that until the previous high doesn't break, the right side won't turn bullish and a double correction lower can't be ruled out. Here's a turning down tag, which indicates an upcycle has ended and the market has turned lower in a correction or is in the process of starting a new cycle. This indicates that until the previous low doesn't break, the right side won't turn bearish and a double correction higher can't be ruled out. Our blue boxes and visual aid stamps have helped thousands of traders over the years, ensuring they stay on the right side of the trend and make profits whenever the opportunity presents itself. If you would like to learn more about Elliott wave patterns, sequence of swings, and how to trade them in real time, we recommend signing up for a 14-day trial.